cold rainy day here, and I thought this would be a good day to do finger foods. For the next couple videos, we'll be doing finger foods that we need at holidays and things like that. And most of them are easy. Well, all of them are easy. I don't do hard ones. I let my children do that now. Anyway, they're very simple. They're all good. There's some that are vintage. And so I hope you enjoy them. I hope you try them because they're really, right now I've got to have a big batch to take tomorrow. So I'm making a video of what I'm taking tomorrow. That's a good thing to do. The first one is just simple cheese. And a little mayonnaise in between. I could have used the deli ham, but I tell you, when you're doing this, you have to cut it away. And I have found this one, and of course this is ham. It's ham and Swiss cheese. I do like the deli ham. It just sometimes it doesn't work for what you need it to. One more. Cheese. Ham. Now, let's pretty it up a little bit. Let's put all my vegetables are washed, by the way. One. Little problems cause big problems. But that's fine. That's fine. Now we're just going to cut. That's our first 6. They're pretty colors. That's one. Let's do another one with a cucumber. Wash my cucumber. Slide this off a few pieces. Keep that. I'm going to do both, or do one with mayonnaise, one with sour cream. Okay, and down. Now, on this one, You can put something in the middle. You can put cheese. I've got turkey salad. I will put in mine. You can put cream cheese with some kind of dressing. So it's like up to you what you particularly like. I do like, if I have chicken salad or turkey salad, I do like to put this in here, but I'm going to tell you, the cream cheese is good too. That just gives it a little bit of color. And on top of those, what we can do is cucumber. Black olive. Another cucumber. There. Okay, now this one, I put cream cheese on it and cucumbers, and I'm putting some dill on it. So it truly is a cucumber sandwich. Okay. Now, of course, this is just a big old standby that I think everybody loves this one. It's just meat. I'm doing American cheese. This is American cheese. Simply wrap it. But there's our first tray. Looks okay, I think. I'll have to make a few minor adjustments, but basically, we got a little tray. I'm sure you're more talented at doing all things like this. Anyway, I'll be right back because I'm going to set my prep up again, and we'll do some more. Hi everybody, we're back. I was going to finish yesterday, but I had to go to church and didn't weren't able to. So we're going to finish this one today, and it's one we've always made before, and I haven't made it for several years, so I thought I would try it again today. It's just your little weenies, and I've written down a few of them, so you don't have to watch me do them all. This is the worst bacon I've ever had in my life, but I'm stuck with it today. when you get them down, we'll go through it. I've already put a little bit of brown sugar on the other ones. Now the brown sugar will look a little burnt, but it doesn't hurt your bacon or your little weenies. Okay. Well, I went ahead and finished them. I've got to make a whole lot of these. And before I go in, I'm going to cook these. And before I make any more, I'm going to get some better bacon. This was just a disaster. But they'll be just as good. It's just not going to be cutesy like I would have wanted. But hey, I'm sure nobody's going to pay attention to them. So we'll be back. Well, our bacon wrapped. These are out. I gotta tell you that the bacon looks like turned out beautiful. There's not a thing that I could that would have made it look any better. It's crisp. It took me about 25 minutes to do this. So it's on 400. So I was a little bit surprised. But it did take about 20-25 minutes, so it may take a while. It was just surprising, I thought. Well, here's our little bacon and wieners. Now, if I can make about 50 more, I'll be okay. There they are, and they smell so good. Don't worry about the bacon. As you see, it turns out just fine. Have a good day. You can start making your Christmas things for now. See you soon. Remember the joy. This is the time of year for us to remember the joy. See you soon.